Chapter 3: Theory Base of Accounting, Accounting Standards, and IFRS. In this chapter, we are going to study the accounting principles, accounting concepts, and accounting conventions. One by one, we have to discuss. Firstly, we have to understand the meaning of accounting principles. Accounting principles are the theory base of accounting. They act as a guide for accounting. Accounting principles help the accountant to make financial statements which help the users in taking useful decisions. The information made under the principles, such information must be reliable and comparable. This is possible only when the financial statements are based on consistent accounting policies, principles, and practices. For this, concepts and conventions have been formulated, and they generally known as GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. So, principles are the general law guidance adopted by the accountant or professionals to follow the practice of business. Now, we have to understand accounting concepts and accounting convention. Accounting concepts are the basic assumptions or fundamental accounting assumptions which every accountant have to be followed by the business. Accounting conventions. Accounting conventions followed over a period of time. They are the basic outcome of accounting practices which have been followed over the years. Now, we are going to understand the accounting concepts or accounting assumptions. The first one is going concern concept. Going concern concept assumes that the business will continue its operation for a long period of time and will not be sold or liquidated in the near future. Consistency assumption. Consistency assumption means that consistency should be followed by the business while making the financial statements, so that inter-comparison and intra-firm comparison can be possible by the users. Accrual assumption. As per accrual assumption, revenue and expenses are recognized in the period of their occurrence rather than when they are received or paid. That means revenue is recorded when sales are made or services are rendered and not when cash is received. Now, we have to understand the accounting principles. The necessity of accounting principles are: accounting information become useful only when it is prepared following some set of rules to maintain uniformity and enables comparability. To maintain uniformity and enables comparability is the basic purpose of following the accounting principles in the business organization. Uniformity in accounts is necessary for comparability also. After that, comparability will be possible. Comparability can be of two types: inter-firm and intra-firm.